Hello everyone, in today's video, we are going to learn about how to create inventory masters in TallyPrime. Inventory is an idle stock of physical goods that contain economic value and are held in various forms by an organization. So now let us create all these masters. Create units of measure. From Gateway of Tally, select Create, then select Unit. In the symbol column, input the symbol. In the formal name column, input the full name of the symbol. Next, we can create stock group. From the unit creation screen, press Escape and come back to the Inventory Masters section. Then select Stock Group. Input the stock group name. For example, Electronics. Press Enter and save. Next, we can create stock item. Press Ctrl+Q and come back to the Inventory Masters. Select Stock Item. In the Name column, enter the item name. In the Undergroup column, select the group, Electronics. And in the Units column, select Pieces. If you have any opening stock, you can mention the stock here in the Opening Balance column. Here in this example, we are not giving any opening balance, so save by either pressing Enter or Ctrl+A. Now we can create the location. In the Inventory Master, select Location, and enter the location name. Here I'm creating a location named Head Office. And save it. So, this is how we create the basic inventory masters. Next, we can see how to alter the items and the alternative method to create the masters. From Gateway of Tally, select Alter, select Stock Item. Select the stock item. We can make some changes for this stock item. In the name, we can rename it using all capital letters. In the group section, we can make a change. Instead of electronics, we can create a new group for laptop. To create a master without going to the Create in Gateway of Tally, we only need to press Alt+C from this screen. Alternate creation can be accessed from any voucher entry screen or master creation screen to create the masters instantly. So, here in the group column, press Alt+C and enter the group creation screen. Type laptop in the name column and then group it under electronics. Then save it. Here we can see the item is now grouped under laptop. Press Enter, and in the unit column, we can create a new unit. Press Alt+C, and create the new unit, number. Now, let us see how to input opening balance and assign stock to various locations. Once again, select Create, select Stock Item and create a new item as Item 1. Select the group. Then select the unit. Press Enter and come to the Opening Balance column. Put the quantity as 40. Once we press Enter, the Location Allocation column will appear. Here, select Head Office, and in the Quantity column, enter 25. Put the rate as 2. Next, we can create a new location. Select Create from the Location menu or press Alt+C. Name the location as Store and save it. And then put the balance quantity 15 in the Quantity column, and also put the rate. This is how we assign the stock items in various locations. Save the item and come back to Gateway of Tally. We can also create multiple stock items. Just like how we created multiple ledgers in the previous video, you need to go to Chart of Accounts and select Multi-Master to create multiple stock items. To delete a stock item, go to Alter, select Stock Item, select Item 1 and press Alt plus D and press Enter. So, this is how we create inventory masters in TallyPrime. If you find the video helpful, please let us know by pressing the like button or drop a comment. For more tutorial videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.